Now that you have your new iPad, one of the first things you'll want to do is to download your applications and documents. And that's very easy to do. You're going to look for the student app. The student app is purple and it has a book. And you'll see it right here in the middle of the page, but right now it's also in our dock here. So we're going to click on that. And this is going to open up and it's going to show you that there are a number of different tools. First of all, once your teacher has created a class, you can raise your hand and it will notify them. You can send messages. You can click here to update any apps that are on your iPad, and you can hit update. It's very simple, and you close out of there. But the tool that you're going to be most interested in is this My Resources. So if you click on My Resources, it'll come up and you'll notice that there's a list of apps and you can slide through that. And when you want to download an app, you just simply click the word get, and you'll see that it circles around there for a minute, and that means it's starting to download. Now, oftentimes what will happen is the word get will come back. You don't need to hit it a second time. In fact, if you hit it a second time, it may cause it to fail. So you want to just let that go through its process. When it does start to download, you'll see it on the screen here, where you can see that it's loading. Then at the top of your resources, you'll also notice documents. Documents are another word for books. So if you find the books that you want to have, so let's say I'm going to download my English 9 book, I'm going to hit get, and once again that's going to circle around and the word get will come back. Don't hit it again. All right, so you'll see get came back, and I may want to click on that again, but what I can do is my book will appear in the Books app when it's finished downloading. So if I open the Books app and I go to my library, you'll see there's no books at this point, but that means the book is still downloading. And usually that'll take maybe 5 or 10 minutes. If it takes longer, or if it doesn't show up after a half hour or an hour, depending on how busy the network is, all you have to do is get a hold of us in the tech office, and we will make sure that we can send that book to your iPad with no trouble. You'll see that your book is now downloaded and you're ready to go. Again, if you have trouble downloading books or applications, please contact us in the tech office. Thanks.